Fyodor Alexandrovich Vasilyev was born 1850, died 1873, was a Russian Imperial landscape painter who introduced the lyrical landscape style in Russian art. In 1866, famous landscape painter Ivan Shishkin fell in love with Fyodor's sister Evgenia Vassilyev. Shishkin became acquainted with Feodor and started to teach him landscape painting. From July to November 1867, Shishkin and Vassilyev worked together on island of Valaam. Some places on Valaam were subjects of both artists' paintings. Later Shishkin introduced Feodor to Ivan Kramskoi, Ilya Repin, and art collectors Pavel Mikhailovich Tretyakov and Pavel Sergeyevich Stroganov. Later Vassilyev became a major competitor to Ivan Shishkin, and the latter was often accused of using intrigues and administrative influence trying to win over Vassilyev on different art competitions. His works, such as his masterpiece Sweat Meadow, were done from memory, old sketches and his imagination. After some time Vassilyev started to draw Crimea, gradually beginning to feel the attraction to its mountain views. Mountains of Crimea was an outstanding work and the last work of the artist.